Ever wondered how your browser knows where to go when you type in something like google.com? There's something working in the background every time you surf the web, and that's DNS. Let's break it down in simple terms. DNS stands for Domain Name System. Think of it as the internet's phone book. Just like you look up someone's name to find their number, DNS translates domain names into IP addresses, the real location of websites on the internet. When you type a website name, your device sends a request to a DNS server. That server looks up the IP address linked to the domain and sends it back. Your browser then connects to that address and loads the site, all in milliseconds. Good DNS servers can actually make your internet feel faster. Some DNS providers like Google DNS 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1 are often faster and more secure than the ones from your internet provider. You can easily change your DNS settings to something faster or more private, either on your computer, phone, or even your router. I'll show you how in the next video. So, now you know, DNS is what makes the internet work smoothly behind the scenes. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech made simple.